Microsoft Office 2024 is here. And the best part? No monthly fees? That's right, it's a one-time purchase. Today we're breaking down all the new features and upgrades, so let's jump right in and see what's new. All right, first up, let's talk about the fresh new look in Office 2024. Microsoft has introduced a sleeker, more natural design across all Office apps. They're using their fluent design principles, which means everything feels more consistent and just smoother. This design really shines on Windows 11, but don't worry, Windows 10 users will still get an upgraded experience. Overall, it's all about making it easier to find what you need, no matter which Office app you're in. A small touch, but it makes a big difference. Next up, Microsoft has made it easier to ensure your documents are accessible to everyone. Now, before you share a file or save it publicly, you can run an accessibility check to catch any potential issues. For example, you can see here it's flagged a small text size that might be hard to read for some users. This tool helps you make sure your document is readable and inclusive, and it's as simple as a quick scan. PowerPoint just got a big upgrade with the new Cameo feature in Office 2024. Now, you can insert your live camera feed directly onto a slide. This means you can be part of your presentation, not just the voice behind it. Plus, you can style and format your camera feed just like any other object. Add effects, transitions, and even custom styles. It's perfect for creating more interactive and engaging presentations, especially for remote audiences. Here's a game changer for presenters. You can now record your PowerPoint presentations or even just a single slide, while capturing your voice, ink gestures, and video presence all in one go. Once you've recorded, you can export your presentation as a video file, ready to share with your audience. It's a great way to create reusable content or even pre-record sessions for later viewing, all within PowerPoint. Excel fans, this one's for you. In Office 2024, Microsoft has added 14 new text and array functions to make handling data smoother than ever. These functions are perfect for quickly splitting and extracting text or reshaping arrays without any complex workarounds. So whether you're pulling out specific text, combining different data, or resizing arrays, these new tools make it a breeze. Just a few clicks and your data is ready to go. Here's a handy upgrade. You can now insert pictures directly from your Android device into your document. No more jumping through hoops to transfer files. Now, if my device were connected, you'd see an option here called Mobile Device. Just click it and you're ready to drop images straight into your content. Perfect for quick edits or adding photos on the fly. There you have it. Microsoft Office 2024 is packed with even more features and functions designed to meet the diverse needs of all our users. Highlights include document recovery in the event of a computer failure, faster Excel workbook operations, seamless Dataverse integration, enhanced search options in Outlook, the ability to react to document comments, more scheduling options for meetings, and much more. Office LTSC 2024 includes Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Outlook, OneNote, Visio, and Access. You can get the best price on lifetime or one-time payment license by checking the link in comment and description below.